Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make roasted Cornish hens, and I'll be using my 20-quart Oster roaster oven. Wow, that was a tongue twister. These are super easy, so let's go ahead and jump right in. First, you're going to start off by rubbing some olive oil all over your hens. Next, it's time to season them up, and these are going to be well seasoned. We've got some kosher salt, some freshly ground black pepper, some granulated garlic, followed by some granulated onion, and then we are going to add some Slap Ya Mama Cajun seasoning. And then once we've added that, it's time for some lemon pepper seasoning. And then we are going to sprinkle on some poultry seasoning, followed by some thyme. And then we're going to sprinkle a little cayenne pepper, followed by some paprika. Now you just want to press those seasonings in, and then you're going to turn the hens over and season them on the other side. And then I stuffed each cavity with a lemon wedge. And then I squeezed some fresh lemon juice over the top. Finally, I injected the breasts with some Creole butter. I told you these were going to be well seasoned. They are ready to cook, but I went ahead and popped mine in the fridge for a few hours. So once I was ready to cook the hens, I preheated my roaster oven to 450 degrees for about 15 minutes. And then I added in the hens. I then reduced the heat to 350 and let them cook for 45 to 60 minutes until they had an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. And here's what they look like when they're all done. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and full of flavor. So, did you like this video? Well, if you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. You know I'd appreciate it. And if you're here and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and tap that button. We're almost to 10,000, baby. Oh, and tap that bell so you know the next time that I upload. And as always, thanks so much for watching. And remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye.